treasure, and this is a really cool event that we're gonna check out, and it's really cool. It's the up RB Battles update. It's really cool. Everything is updated, like everything else. Like look at the money, like the gold thing. That's cool. Even the launch button. Everything here is literally amazing. Like you can actually win stuff. You can win these chests. I used to have 7 of these, I think. Wait. I don't know, but it's so cool. Oh my god. No. Is there a way to block that? I think it's just this. Yeah, and yeah, I want to show you guys this. I want to explain this event to you guys. So I created this. I thought it would look really cool. Hee. So yeah, this is you can win trophies actually competing with other people, and yeah, you can get first, second, third. So I will be showing you guys like how to do it. Alright, I want to join. Can I join? It won't let me. Oh, it's in progress. I'm gonna join a different server so I can start it. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I wonder if there's a way to fix it so that when you get into a game, it makes it automatically full screen. But it looks like no one is like, I think everyone's bots. Everyone are bots. Oh look, someone already saw you. Alright. It's good. Alright. Let's wait for him to start it. Start. I don't think you will. Yeah. Oh my god. Hang on. For some reason I can't join my friend's server. Private server. Ah. Let's see if it'll even start it. Oops. I don't think so. Yeah, he's not gonna start it. Come on, man. If it won't do it, then I'll just explain it. I mean, if it, yes, alright, post. So, this is what you basically do here. So, you can either join or start a challenge. So let's say someone already started it, you can join it, and this is where you can change your settings over here. So build time, you're going against every team. So build time is like you can set that. I make it 1 minute or whatever you want, 1 minute. And then sell time, you can set that too. Like if you don't make it in less than if you don't make it less than 6 minutes, then I guess the round finishes. And the block limit, you can choose that. Some people make it 50 or anything, or something. So, and then over here, oh my god, I'm very laggy today. Okay, and you can also choose if you're allowed to put car parts, like if you're allowed to put plane parts, and force PvP. So, what I usually like to do is that if I'm gonna grind or anything, I'm gonna make a 1 minute car part, everything allowed, and then sell time, anything I guess, and then the block limit none, and now everything is good. I just need my alt to join so I can start it, because you can't start a match without anyone. Hang on. Let me get my alt. Okay. And you can't start a challenge. You can't start a challenge if there's 2 people. in the same team. Join. This is in progress? Let me invite it. Server. I can't do it. Server. Hang on. Let me try this again. That's weird. Why did it do that? Alright, let's invite. No. Hang on. Why is this challenge in progress? I'm in the same server. This I don't understand. Alright, I'm just gonna explain. Alright, so yeah, you can have as many teams as you want to join. Max is 7 because there's max 7 players in the game. So yeah, and then after that you can start it. So it will be green, I think, or pink, and then you can start it, and then you set the limit. You only have 1 minute to build. So you start building. Oh, I have to reset. Oh my god, so okay. Silly me. Wait, what? Now it's, oh my god, this is wrong. It glitches. What the? Oh, wait, what? I'm not joining the same server. Let me reload this page. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it didn't even pop up. There we go. Now we're talking. Alright, I'm gonna join a new team, so this actually works. I'll join green. Okay, there. Alright, let's host it. Okay. Alright, now we can start it. Yeah, it's pink now. That means you can do it now. Alright, so we have a timer. So if you want a free trophy, you can just make the other players not do anything, and to get chests and rewards, you have to make it to the end. And you have to go through the black walls, like go through the stages. You can't go over, or you won't get the stuff. Okay, let's just wait for it to, yes. Also, who's playing? Meanwhile. Alright, so after the timer is finished, it shows what the teams, like what they've built. So I built that. I didn't build anything on my alt because my alt's not gonna do anything because they're gonna get a free trophy. You see, right? Oh shoot! I didn't do my keybinds. Oh no, there's my wrench tool. It's okay. I don't think that really matters. Just click it. Yeah, I'm so laggy. How do I get sword? I defeated the boss already. I don't know how to get. Which boss? There's a boss? Oh my god. The hookers. That'll be fun. Right. Activate. There we go. Hang on. Oh no. This is what I mean by lag. Dude. Okay. Jeez. Hang on. No. Oh my god. It won't turn. Turn. Oh my, hang on. Alright. Well, it's okay, because we're gonna come in first place. So yeah, let me make my alt reset. Okay, there we go. It's gonna glitch sometimes, and this is not gonna get out of the screen. So I guess you can only rejoin in your server or a team. So yeah, you get a trophy, and then you can also get a second place trophy. Yeah. And the only reason, and the one broken thing about this is that the one broken thing about it is that you get more gold than you're supposed to originally. So I barely even got past the stages. I would usually get 9 gold or something, but it gave me 20. So unless I made it like that for these type of battles. But guys, that'll be it from here today. I hope you like and subscribe. Yeah, this RB battles is really event is really cool. And see you guys. Oh yeah, and this is the thing. And I'll see you guys in next video. Bye.